Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Welcome, welcome everyone. I am so glad you're here. We're on week 9 of virtual story time here at Sandusky District Library, and we're going to talk all things that go. So let's get started. So, hello, Mr. Pigeon. I'm glad you're here. Would you like to stay and listen to the story? What do you think, kids? Should we let him stay and listen to the story? I think so. All right. Right over here, Mr. Pigeon. So you're out of the way, but you can still hear the story. All right, so our first story is called Zoom Zoom, Sounds of Things That Go in the City. And it's written by Robert Brule, and it's illustrated by Tad Carpenter. The city is asleep. Wake up, city! Shake up, city, let's get moving. Hey, everyone, let's get grooving. Night is over, sun's aglow. Garbage trucks, joggers, time to go. Good morning, city. Hustle, bustle, rush, rush, rush. Cars and traffic sway and swerve. Over, under, watch that curve. Convertible, ambulance, limousine. Red light, orange light, yellow, green. Work time, city. Zoom, zoom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Look at all those vehicles, right? Vans, pickups, cement trucks too. Easy does it coming through. Juice it up, we're in a hurry. Get it finished, scurry, scurry. Good job, city. Dart, dash, dart, dart, dive, dash. Catch an L train. Way up high, brakes and windows flashing by. Watch the wheels whirl and spin. Riders out and riders in. Lunchtime, city. Rattle, 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 roll. Looks, yikes, a fire truck. Wheeling, reeling, wee, good luck. Firemen race to save the day, but we can't stop, we're on our way. Go, city. Flash, fly, 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 flash. Bus comes rocking, whoops, jump, squeeze inside, sit down, bump, bump. Step on it, driver, show some speed, rock it, roll it, take the lead. School's out, city. Rumble, rumble, rattle, rattle, roll. Hop the subway way below, tunnels winding, go, go, go. Rip and roar, but don't we care? Whatever works, just get us there. Playtime, city. Spin, spin, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Downhill, uphill, skateboard flipping, whir and whiz, spin, get zipping. Motorcycle, rubber burning, lean left, lean right, twisting, turning. Fun time, city. Rocket, rocket, zip, zip, zip. Through the park to the other side, bicycle whirring, what a ride. Ice cream truck music, feel the beat. Get me home, it's time to eat. Dinner time, city. Ring, ring, bump, bounce, bop. Hail that taxi zooming by. Let's go, cabbie, let it fly. City hopping, razzmatazz. Neon flashing, jive and jazz. Party time, city. Boogie, boogie, woogie, woogie, woogie. Tired dancers slowly walking, subway riders softly talking. Last train empties, days wind down. All is quiet in the town. Sleepy time, city. Shuffle, shuffle, whisper, whisper. Good night, city. Good night. Lots of activity in a city, right? Okay, so for our on-the-go craft, what we're going to do today is we're going to make our own little car. So you are going to get in your craft kit, you'll get a toilet paper craft roll. It's about the size of a toilet paper roll. And then what we're going to do for you already is that you'll have all these wheels. And so you already see them. We already have them attached to the roll. And then what we'll have you do is we have this construction paper, and then we'll have you wrap it around and tape it or glue it, whatever you have on hand. If you're going to glue it, make sure you hold on to it really tight for a while to make sure that it sticks, okay? So then I'll show you mine. So the wheels I will already attach the wheels. So all you need to do is you need to wrap your construction paper. And then I wrote the number 12 because it's my favorite number. And then you also have a wheel that you'll glue or tape onto your thing. And then if you wanted to, you could design or color whatever you want, or if you had stickers, you could stick stickers on it, however you want to decorate your car. I did mine really simple and I just wrote a number, but you can do whatever you would like. Maybe you had extra stickers or wanted to take a marker and color on your wheels, whatever you would like to do. Okay, and then in your craft kit, I put a bunch of examples of different ramps and things that you could build at home, or you could do it at home with your car. Okay, all right, let's get to our next book. Our next book is called On the Go Awesome. And it is written by Lise H. Delphinson, and it's illustrated by Robert Newbecker. Okay, and this is one of our brand new books at the library. Trains are cool, right? Trains are cool. Watching a train is very cool. Riding on a train is even cooler. But conducting a train through the mountains, chugga chugga awesome! Excavators are fun. Watching an excavator is more fun. Sitting in an excavator is extra fun, but operating excavator at a construction site? Dig into awesome! Planes are exciting. Watching planes take off is really exciting. Flying on a plane is ultra exciting, but piloting a plane up into the clouds? Prepare for awesome! Subways are fascinating. Watching people on the subway platform is fairly fascinating. Riding the subway is definitely fascinating, but operating the subway far below the bustle of the big city, yes. Stand clear for awesome! Monster trucks are major. Watching monster trucks is mega major. Riding in a monster truck is major to the extreme. But jumping over a gigantic row of cars in a monster truck, crushingly awesome! Boats are excellent. Watching a boat race is more excellent. Setting sail on a boat is most excellent. But captaining a boat across the vast ocean? What do you think? Aye, aye! Awesome! Rockets are stellar. Visiting the launch pad to see a rocket is so stellar. Watching a rocket lift off is super stellar. But becoming an astronaut on a rocket? 3, 2, 1, awesome! Campers are cool. Wait, are campers cool? Sleeping in a camper is totally cool, but traveling across the whole country with your family, now that's awesome. The end. Okay, I hope you enjoyed all our books for this week. And next week is our holiday story time. So I have a few holiday books that are available for pickup for curbside. The form is on the Sandusky District Library, or when you order your story time craft kit, you can request books through that way as well. Or if neither of those forms are easy to get to, just go ahead and give us a call here at Sandusky District Library. We'll be able to help you out. So some of the books that you can get on curbside are Pick a Pine Tree, A Homemade Together Christmas, and then this is one of my favorites. It's just called Dasher. It's a good one. So, okay, Storytime friends, that's all I have for you this week. I'm so glad that you were able to come, and I will see you next week. Okay, are you ready? Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Bye everyone, see you next week.